Okay, we're back. So, it's now time to go through the setup phase. So let's get started. So here I have made this folder, BERT example, and in this folder I have the requirements.txt file that we are going to use to install all the dependencies, and we're going to use conda and pip for all these operations. So let's get started. So here let's open a command prompt in this folder. Then we will create conda environment, and let's call it BERT train env. Let's hit that. Here just give yes. Then let's activate the environment by typing conda activate BERT train env. Now we want to install pip to this specific environment, so let's do that. And let's also install Python 3.7. Then just press enter, as the Y was in brackets. So, and now that pip and Python are installed to this environment, we can now use pip to install the dependencies from the requirements.txt file. So once I previously made this environment, I saved all the dependencies to this file, and now we can utilize this to recreate the environment quite easily. So it goes like this: pip install -r and then requirements.txt. And this will take a while, so I'll come back to you once this is ready. And then we will go through a few more commands, and then we're basically ready with the setup. Okay, now that the installation of those dependencies is ready, we still need to make a few more commands. So I want to install nbconda now to this environment, and nbconda basically makes it convenient to work with Jupyter notebooks and conda environments together. So let's do that now, and it's just conda install nbconda, and I guess nb stands for notebook. So let's do that. That should be quite quickly, so we'll wait it here. Okay, so it should be now ready, and once that is installed, I should be able to run Jupyter notebooks by just typing Jupyter notebook, and that will start a Jupyter server and the Jupyter notebook UI to browser in this current folder. So, and this is the right path that we want to run it, so let's test it. And as we can see, it launched, and then we can make a new, just for test, make a new notebook, and currently the active environment is this one with the star, so that is the right one. I have a bunch of other environments too for all my projects, but let's use this now. And let's test that we can import basic libraries. So import pandas as pd should work, and shift enter to execute the current cell. and that seems to work. So it seems that our setup should be fine now. And this concludes the setup phase, and in the next phase we're going to look how I have downloaded the data and by going through the notebook that I have used. So see you in that section.